And welcome to my video of what I prepped today. We plan our garden a little early when we can, and this year we decided to try a new company who has been sending us their catalog for centuries. It's Gurneys Seed and Nursery Company, and with your order they send you this little grow it guide. And the reason that we tried them this year is if you are on their mailing list, which I've said in a previous video, get on a company's mailing list. They send you coupons. Wait until you get a coupon and then know what you want and then use the coupon. So prior to spring, Gurneys, late winter, the Gurneys will send you a catalog for 50% off your entire order. So this year we took advantage of it. And so the prices that I'm going to show you that I paid are at 50% off. We got these Yukon Gold potatoes. We opted for 4 pounds total. And for 4 pounds of Yukon Gold potatoes, we paid $10. Now that averages down to about $2.50 a pound for the seed potatoes. When we were at Walmart, my husband, who's a glutton for punishment, picked these Gold Rush potatoes, which are also a yellow potato. And then he also chose some more Yukon Golds. And these were $3 for a pound of seed potatoes. The ones we got at Gurneys actually averaged out to be only $2.50 a pound. However, there is a caveat. When you shop at Gurneys, they base their shipping on the total amount of money you spend. So we ended up paying $18 for shipping with our Gurneys order, which pretty much added back about 20% to our order. And the next thing we got were seeds from them, and these are the ones we tried from them. We got the Brandywine tomatoes, which only has 30 seeds in the pack, and those were $1.49 for the pack. The Argonaut squash that we got, which is here, 25 seeds in the pack, was $2. And then we got, let me see what else. The sweet peppers, the Double Delight, that's a hybrid. That was 20 seeds. And that was, wow, $4.50? Wow, that was something my husband picked, I guess. He better grow those good. And then the buttercup squash that we got right there, 1 ounce of seeds. That's me, I buy in quantity, was only $3. And the painted mountain corn, I've always wanted to grow that. I got 1 ounce of that. Those seeds were only $3. Then my summer jackpot hybrid zucchini squash right there. 25 seeds? Is that what that says? No. Yep. 25 seeds there was only $3. Then back to my husband's love of his tomatoes. He got the Gurneys Ruby Monster hybrid seeds. 15 seeds were, wow, $4.50. Wow, he picked some winners, didn't he? And then the Roma tomatoes, 150 seeds in there, and that's only $1.50. So I guess he paid extra for the hybrids, and that's fine. And yes, I know that heirlooms are better, and that hybrids, you know, you're not going to get the same thing back again, but it's okay. We're okay with that. Then the other thing that I ordered was something that I've wanted for quite some time. It's an asparagus cooker. So when you want to cook your asparagus, and I realize that some people roast it and some people bake it, but when you want to cook it, you want to cook that bottom so it's nice and soft, and you only want to steam the top. So this I've wanted for a long time, and I ordered it from them because I would never pay $40 for this, just because I don't. Comes with a nice steamer basket insert. And so because the entire catalog was half off, I paid $20 for this. The only thing so far, I was really impressed with quality. And the only thing I don't like about it so far, and I did know that it's made in China, but I couldn't find an asparagus cooker for even $40 that was made in the USA. So the other things that we ordered from them that haven't come in yet, well, those potatoes did. We are getting some Jerusalem artichokes and purple asparagus. I ordered some earthworm cocoons, which haven't arrived yet, and it looks like they're sending me a letter. I don't know. I'll have to see what that's all about. So that covers what we prepped today from Gurneys. And remember, take the advice. Get on a mailing list now. And come winter or late winter, they will send you a catalog. They'll send you one now, but then they'll send you another one in late winter, letting you know that they can give you 50% off your entire order. But then again, don't forget to check prices elsewhere. The only reason we ordered from here is because we finally wanted to give this company a chance. We hadn't ordered from them before, so we will check out, their germination rate and see if we want to order from them again. And of course, because they gave us 50% off. And the other thing that I prepped today are more of these antiviral face masks, and I did a separate video of those. And remember that we get these from Pharmapacks.com.